corner of my windowsills. Dirty crib, guts with it, spills. A bit of chill from shoveling snow, hustling when the pills to pay electricity bills. It's wintertime, you see it in my facial features. It's like a parallel hell where Satan freezes. The reason we tremble and embrace our heaters. The season when Timberlands replace our sneakers. The trees look so wicked with no leaves in it. The grease so frigid that it freezes liquid in. I start up the whip, can't just jump in it. Gotta let that shit run for like 15 minutes. The summer's too short, winter's already here. It feels like it lasts 80% of the year. Something in my mind snaps every single time that it's wintertime. Wintertime. In the nighttime skies, when the winds cover the earth and everything dies. We know how to stay on the grind like snow plows. Wild weather turns cities to virtual ghost towns. Hard hitting is boxing with frostbitten hands. Snowflakes drift to the ground and gently expand. It's like God spray coop on the mirror to blow, and icicles grow on every single inch of your soul. We see it both ways. As an adult, I give no praise. When I was a child, I would pray for snow days. Sipping chicken broth, water, and OJ. Faking like I'm sick when I really feel okay to get out of school. There ain't a reason better. You try waiting out for the bus in freezing weather. Something in my soul dies every single time that it's wintertime. Wintertime. Put your hood up and rock to this, rock to this. Put your hood up and rock to this, rock to this. It's wintertime, you got to just put your hood up and rock to this, rock to this. Put your hood up and rock to this, rock to this. Put your hood up and rock to this, rock to this. It's wintertime, you got to